In this video, we do a sunroof maintenance on the 2002 Avalanche. This quick maintenance should be done at least every 12 months. We start with retracting the sunroof. The first thing is to check the two drain holes at the front corners here. We want to make sure there's no debris blocking the drain holes. They're hard to see, but they're right in the front two corners. And there's the other side. When the water goes in the drain holes, it runs through a hose which runs down along the windshield post and through the floor, just behind the front wheel well of the vehicle. By the way, there's no need to expose these hoses. This clip was from a previous video of the dash installation. Using a plastic cup, we pour water mixed with soap in each hole. There it is draining from the driver's side, and there's the passenger side. Both sides have a steady flow. If they are clogged, use an air hose at the top holes. Do not use a wire hanger or you may puncture the hose I showed earlier. Next, we will clean the rubber seals around the glass in whatever area it comes into contact with, like the opening around the edges here. The back edge is important as well. There's a lid that folds in, which the glass rubber seal presses into. We also look for any cracks on the rubber seal all around the window. We soak a rag in soap and water and scrub the contact edges around the window and the rubber seal around the glass. If it looks or feels too rigid and dried out, you may want to use some automotive silicone to keep them soft and protect them from the sun. We also clean the spring-loaded shield and gutter, and then carefully pour water in the gutter to flush the dirt into the drain holes. We lift the back part of the sunroof and clean the rubber seal really well. Lubricate all moving parts with white lithium. All you need to add is a small amount. And then Mother Nature provided us with the best test. A perfect timed rainstorm. It's a good idea to get a flashlight and check all around the seal if there's any leaks. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you along the way. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. See the description for links of tools and materials used in this video. And you all have a great day.